So today, I got this thing finished. I'm gonna finish putting this the cedar roof on, and then I'll probably straighten up the edges because it looks like a few of those boards are just a hair off, which, you know, it always happens. So I actually, over here, as you can see right here on this edge, I put an edge up there that fits all the way up that side, and that gives me a definite area to get against. I'm letting these overlap 2 inches on each side. Altogether, they're 51 inches on the top. So we're going to finish this thing up. And each one of these is overlapping the other by 1.25 inches. And the screw is about 1 inch down. So, and these are deck screws anyway, so they're not going to rust or anything. So this roof ought to last a long time on this thing. My garage door opener is getting in my way. I'm about to run out of room here in my small shop. This one, I'm probably going to have to fit it to make it come out the way I want. So, I'm still going to do the 1.25 inches and probably put a little ridge on this thing, a little ridge cap. That would make it look pretty good too. You need a, a little bit. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That way I can make up a cap, put on this thing, and that way I'll be able to hide the screws underneath. And even though they're deck screws, they won't be exposed. garage door opener is right in the way. Alright, so for my ridge cap, what I decided to do was to cut a 3.5 inch piece and a piece that's 5/8 of an inch shorter. Take up the slack right here. And then I'm going to glue this together with Titebond 3, put a few screws in it, and that's what I'm going to use for my ridge cap up here. And this project will be done. Well, I got to make a floor for it. Clamp on this. Yeah. Now, turn this around. And we'll see if I can't get a few screws in this thing. Might have to drill oh, that was perfect. You might have, depending on the screws you use, you might have to drill a pilot hole in this thing. So, because these cedar fence pickets, they're only 5/8 of an inch thick. So. But these deck screws are pretty small, actually. I forget what size they are, but they're only like a number 6 screw, so they're actually pretty skinny. That's pretty good. It'll wipe some of that glue up, and there we go. Now we have a ridge cap. All right, time to get this ridge cap up on there. And looks pretty good. Sticks up a little bit, but that's okay. Yeah, about a little bit right there. Yeah, we're almost done with this thing. And like I said, these are all deck screws, so being exposed won't hurt. So, and now I gotta go around the other side. And more boring video. Seriously run out of some room in here. All right. Well, there you go. Roof is now officially done. So we'll give you a, there's a cap up there. So, yeah. Looks pretty good. Alright, we're done with this thing. Roof's all done. Here's what I did for the bottom. It's gonna have flowers planted in here. So this is all 1-inch deck boards down here. They should last a long time. Of course, I gave them plenty of drain holes. And it's 12 inches deep. So it ought to last for a long time, really. And you know, if a wind blows this thing over, the way I built it, it's you know, it's probably gonna last longer than me. And well, you know, that's it. But look around in these videos, because I'm gonna post measurements for everything on here, and the plans will be free.